morning. I wanted to vlog this Sunday, but I started really bad because now it's 11 o'clock and at 11 o'clock I should start this activity. So I have to run. Now I'm human. I'm super late, so it seems that it will be just me and you making this walk, because when I passed by the river I saw that everybody already has gone. The view is super nice, but unfortunately it's not so clear because over there normally there are mountains. Countryside. Okay, here we are. So, we have to go that way. And now we have to cross the water. That's so cool, right? We came here 1 week ago to clean all the river from the trash. And now today we're gonna walk and then we're gonna listen to one orchestra. We're gonna do a picnic. I brought nothing, so I really hope that my boyfriend got the picnic. I am in the middle of another river. Okay guys, seriously, I don't know what you see, but do you see those stairs? Last time that we came, there weren't. Someone did stairs, my god. I think I have to do something similar at home to go to my storage room. So the walk is over. I really hope that soon I will meet someone. Okay, it seems that I found someone at least. Finally! Professional, eh?
Κάτσε και γλέντισε με μας, σε κλαιδιά διώχνει ο Μπαχαμάς. Κι αν έχεις πόνο μέσα στην καρδιά, θα το ξεχάσεις με μια διπλοπαιά.
This is Krini.
Ήταν άδικος ο χωρισμός και ανυπολόγιστα σκληρός.
Σαν να
Okay, so that's it for today. Bye bye.